Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bullbear AI token, AIBB for short. That is also the ticker symbol for this token, AIBB. This token just got listed yesterday on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, they just got listed yesterday. This token just got listed yesterday on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AIBB, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. So Bullbear Space AI is the name of the token, and AIBB is the ticker symbol. So this token is up 39.6% today, according to CoinGecko, so they're doing very well. They also are listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. So if you want to get this token, you can find it, their Arbiscan on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. They also have their webpage listed on there, their socials, full white paper. Yeah, they have their, let's check out their Arbiscan. We can see how many holders they have. So according to their Arbiscan, right now, just firing it up here, they have 10,669 holders already. So they're doing very well. 32,881 transfers on this token. 18 decimal places and a total supply here of a little bit over that is million, billion, trillion, 25.9 quadrillion tokens, it looks like. So it's probably a deflationary token because that is not, it's not an even number, so I'm assuming they burned some tokens. It says fully diluted market cap is $405 million. Market cap, 13 million, 24-hour trading volume, $2.9 million. So they're doing very well. So what is this project all about here? So it says on CoinMarketCap too, it just listed Mexc Global. So it says you can get it there. Yeah, they just got listed yesterday, May 9th. So this is a very brand new listing here. Bullbear AI is developed using artificial intelligence to predict the bull and bear markets through user behaviors and price action, generating profits for users. Artificial intelligence will be trained based on historical data of users and price line history, along with market movements to make the most accurate predictions. Bullbear AI is a revolutionary project in the Arbitrum ecosystem. The purpose of this project is to provide AI tools for users to apply to trading and predictions, thereby creating value and profit. So the tokenomics, so it looks like they started with 100 quadrillion. So yeah, that is a million, billion, trillion, yeah, 100 quadrillion tokens initially, and then I think I said 25.9 quadrillion is what it's at now, according to their Arbiscan. So it says 50% for the community airdrops to early supporters. And then it says the airdrop will be locked and released in a 20% monthly vesting schedule. 30% of the token will be for public sale, with 50% at TGE and the remaining 50% distributed following the month. And then it says the remaining 20% of AIBB tokens will be equally divided between our marketing and development funds, locked at TGE for long-term commitment. So at Bullbear AI, we aim for a fair and transparent token distribution model to foster a supportive and strong community. We will keep you updated as we expand our platform. Now, if you want to stay up to date, there's some great ways to stay up to date. They have lots of socials. We'll check that out in a second. So besides Mexc Global, Arbitrum tokens are listed on decentralized exchanges, just like PancakeSwap is for Binance Smart Chain. They are listed on Camelot. So you can get them on Camelot, or it says Uniswap v3 through the Arbitrum network on Uniswap. So there's a couple different places to get this token, but the brand new listing there is on Mexc Global. So that's really cool that they got that listing. And you can find this token listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Now, according to CoinGecko, though, there is a warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before getting this token. Now, that's a good idea, right? To always check for audits and security features like KYC, team docs, if they're doing AMAs, all sorts of stuff like that, right? So it says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So thoroughly investigate this token before getting it. When there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% this token's going to be a scam, but it definitely has a big potential to be a scam depending on how high they can raise the taxes. Now, if they can raise the taxes all the way up to like 100% and nobody can sell the tokens, then obviously that's a big problem. So thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Now, if you check out their socials, at Bullbear_AI, they have 84,500 Twitter followers. So they're a very well-established project. Like I said, they have over 10,000 holders already. And they just got a big central exchange listing. Mexc Global has like 6 million users on it. So it says using AI to predict bull and bear markets. And then they have a link to their Telegram at AI_Bullbear. It says, not your ordinary meme coin. And then they also have the contract address on their Twitter. Now, their Twitter just joined also in April 2023. They already have 234 tweets. So they're very active on their socials here. And almost 100,000 Twitter followers. And in their pinned tweet, they have a link to Mexc Global, their contract, their Arbiscan, CoinGecko listing, DEX tools chart, all sorts of cool stuff here. They're going over their milestones of their market cap. So it looks like they have competitions and contests on their Twitter as well, so you can get involved with those. Now, there's here, it says Bullbear AI is launching AI Core, a new token that will drive long-term growth for AIBB. So that's coming soon as well. So that's interesting. They just tweeted about that 3 hours ago. And then they show you, there's a chart of how AI Core, you can earn Arb tokens with it, or Arb coins, I should say. You can purchase exclusive NFTs that'll be coming up. There's going to be a game. All that stuff will be coming soon. There's big burning events coming soon. You can check that out on their Twitter. Now, their Telegram also doing extremely well. 50,421 subscribers on their Telegram. So the first meme project using AI to predict bull and bear markets through user behaviors and price action, generating profits for users. So that's in a nutshell what this token is all about. So check it out. Just got listed on Mexc Global. You can find an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.